In this TotalAV review, I'm going to answer the most pressing question that we're all gathered for here today. Is TotalAV a good antivirus? Let's be honest, no matter how good something could be, in the end, it all comes down to the money. Luckily, TotalAV is one of the most affordable antivirus programs available. Compared to other big names, the TotalAV app offers similar tools for a portion of the price. And if you want even better pricing, make sure to use the discount link in the description and scan this QR code on screen. Trust me, when you get a deal like this, you take it. Your security is the most valuable thing you have. All right, the other amazing thing about TotalAV is how seamless the user experience feels. The installation process is lightning fast, and the onboarding is super simple, guiding you through a few screens. And if you're a beginner, you're going to find that navigating the dashboard is very intuitive, and you're not going to need to Google every single feature to understand where it is or how to use it. But if you do end up a little bit confused, TotalAV has that covered as well, offering 24/7 phone and live chat support, along with email inquiries. I know, all this may sound too good to be true, but don't worry, they have more than enough proof with a nearly perfect Trustpilot score and beaming customer reviews. All right, let's continue this TotalAV review with the core protection features. I was very pleasantly surprised to find that TotalAV actually offers everything you would expect from a top-tier antivirus. Real-time protection monitors your device for malware 24/7, and if you'd like separate scans, TotalAV offers that as well. You can run quick, full system or custom scans on the apps or folders of your choice. Then there's the ransomware defense, which protects your files from encryption attacks. And it does so well. There is a reason why TotalAV won the Best Usability and Best Performance awards multiple times. So you don't have to wonder, is TotalAV legit? The recognition speaks for itself. Now, despite not having a firewall, it's not really an issue, all right, since it works very well with Windows Firewall, one of the very few Windows Defender elements that work pretty well. The TotalAV antivirus also tries to make sure of your internet safety by implementing features such as Web Shield browser protection. It's essentially a browser extension that scans the websites you enter before they load and helps prevent access to malicious or compromised sites. So don't worry, if that one shady website you want to watch movies on turns out to be a malware generator, TotalAV is going to let you know. But realistically, your data could end up anywhere and not only on the dark web. This is why TotalAV offers a breach scanner that checks if your information has been exposed online. Another important feature is the app lock. By using it, you can protect apps on your mobile phone that may contain sensitive information by setting a PIN code, a pattern, or a biometric lock. Speaking of mobile phones, TotalAV is constantly adding new mobile security features like a QR code and a Wi-Fi checker, which warn you about unsafe QR codes or Wi-Fi networks. Now, you didn't think that was all, did you? Well, with the high-tier plans, you also get extra services that make TotalAV a true cybersecurity hub. One of these services is the Total VPN. It offers the most basic VPN features that you might need, such as security, encryption, and server networks. It can definitely be useful, especially if you're using a streaming service. If you're annoyed by ads every time you want to check the weather, Total Ad Block is going to not only block visual ads, but also sponsored posts, banners, pop-ups, videos, and trackers. I mean, this is a hefty tool set, right? And if you're still writing down your passwords on a piece of paper, first of all, why? Second, Total Password is your savior. It's a password manager that is installed as a browser extension. Now, if you want to try out the best antivirus software, make sure to click the link in the description to get the best possible deal. So if you want an affordable antivirus that's also very beginner friendly with great malware detection, TotalAV is your pick. And if you want me to review more software like this, make sure to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. All right, until next time, bye.